Good morning. So today you have a writing assignment. What you're going to do is you're going to read all of these instructions on the yellow page when I'm done talking to you. The short version, though, is this. In the blue, you have an excerpt from the story 7th grade. We've been talking about point of view for a little while now, and the point of view of the story 7th grade is third person omniscient because we have an outside narrator who is telling the story, but we can see what Victor's thinking, and we can also see at one point in the story what the teacher, Mr. Bueller, is thinking. What you're going to do is you're going to take the piece of the story that's there listed in blue, so you'll need to reread it, and you're going to flip the perspective, change the point of view, and rewrite that scene in your own words. So we want you to pick a first person point of view this time, which means you're going to say things like I, me, we. You're going to pretend that you are either Teresa, the girl that Victor is like for most of the story, or that you're Mr. Bueller, the teacher. And you're just going to take that scene where they're in the French class, and you're going to rewrite it from the perspective of either Teresa or Mr. Bueller. So you're going to use first person point of view, and you're going to retell that part of the story as though you were one of those two characters. And that's going to change, obviously, their observations of what's going on, what they're thinking about, you're going to be able to include, and it's going to give a different spin on part of the story that you've already read. So read this yellow page for more info, reread the blue text, which is the part of the story we want you to rewrite, and then you're going to type your rewriting of the story directly onto the slides. You can't use any more space than what you have, so if you're somebody who really likes to write and you're getting really into it, you're going to have to limit yourself to the space that you have there. Kind of at a minimum, I would think you fill up at least one of those slides with information because you do want to include what your character that you're using is thinking. So you're going to need to tell us what either Teresa is thinking or what Mr. Bueller is thinking as you're rewriting in first person. Hope that makes sense. Let me know if you have questions.